Good morning, students. Last session we discussed derived logic gates. How many logic gates we had seen under this category? 4 different gates. Not, NAND, NOR, NAND, exclusive OR and exclusive NOR. This is what we had discussed in our last session. And out of these 4 derived logic gates, NAND gate and NOR gate is having a wonderful feature called universal logic gates. What is universal logic gates? Which means that from these two gates you can realize any gate, maybe a basic gate or maybe a derived gate, and also you can realize any logic circuits. Even though you may don't have AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate in your hand, with the help of NOR and NAND gate, you could realize and you could construct any logic gates and any logic circuits. Because the cost required for constructing a logic circuit using NAND and NOR is very cheap. That's why these two gates are called as universal logic gates, and everyone is preferring to construct a logic circuits using these NAND and NOR. And in this session I am going to explain you how the different logic gates were realized using NAND gate. So first one is NOT gate. NOT gate, we are going to realize NOT gate using NAND logic. Now you should answer me two questions. What is the expression required for NOT gate? It is A dash. What is the expression for NAND gate? It is A into B the whole dash. There is a contradiction, yes or no? NOT is requiring only a single input, and whereas the NAND is requiring double input. And also the expression is in product form, that is A into B the whole dash. Anyhow, in NOT gate you are having one complement, but how can I get the product form? Yes, think in your mind. You have to apply your earlier learning. In earlier class we learnt Boolean postulates or Boolean laws, and one law called idempotent law. Yes, what is idempotent law is stating A into A is equal to A. Now what I need? A dash. So now I am going to use NAND gate. So if I use NAND gate, automatically I will get complemented output. So here n is always means to negated. So I will get, definitely I am going to get complement. So one thing I required is product form, and how I am going to get the product form for a single input using idempotent law. Okay, now look into the diagram. A is a single input. The same value is passed on to these two input lines, because for NAND gate we need at least two inputs. So for both the input lines I am passing A value. Now what will be the expression after you pass the value into NAND gate? You will get A into A the whole dash. Now this A into A the whole dash can be written as A dash, because we know that A into A is equal to A as per idempotent law. Yes, now hope you understand how the NOT gate is implemented using NAND gate. Similarly, see here, OR using NAND gate. What is the logic of OR? Expression of OR? A plus B. But what is NAND? A into B the whole dash. So now this sum term should be changed to product term. So how can we? Again you have to apply the laws. First one is you should apply double complement. Then you should follow a De Morgan's theorem. Now see here, A plus B the whole dash, again one more dash, double complement is applied. When you apply the first complement, what will you get as per the De Morgan's theorem? A plus B the whole dash is equal to A dash, and this plus will be changed to multiplication B dash. So now see here, A dash into B dash the whole dash. Now see what form is this? This is in NAND form. Okay, A into B the whole dash. Now I got the product form. Now see the circuit diagram. A dash I need. How will you get A dash? Just now we learnt. Yes? B dash. So these two things should be given to one more NAND gate. Now we will get the value of OR gate. Yes, that's all. We learned the basic. Now the same was used for NOR gate. Again, apply the De Morgan's with double complement. You could get the logic of AND. Similarly, XOR. See here, XOR. Again the same one. You should apply the double complement and you should convert it to NAND form. Once you get the NAND form, you can simply draw the logic diagram. Yes. That's all, children. And keep it in mind, one more important thing. This particular portion, that is universal gates, realizing other gates using NAND and NOR, is an important board examination question. In 2 mark section A, in 2 mark part 1, 2 marks, from the logic gates you can score more than 6 marks. They'll give you an expression, then they ask you to draw a logic circuit, and for any logic, implement OR using NAND, implement not using NOR, implement XOR using NAND. Likewise, you may have question. And they'll give you an expression, and using the Boolean laws, they'll ask you to simplify the Boolean expression. So if you are thorough with logic gates, basic logic gates and derived logic gates, universal logic gates and its law, definitely you can score 5 marks in big question, more than 6 marks in 2 mark. So prepare well, understand and learn. Take a notes of all these things in your classwork notebook. Keep it safe up to the board examination. Thank you.